Hey, we're gonna review this Avocado crib mattress. So I was given 2 Avocado mattresses to test out with my girls. Price for one mattress is $299. All right, first impressions are when I opened the box, I was very impressed by the quality. If you look around, it's just well built. I'm gonna waste no time and jump to my favorite feature. You guys know my favorite feature? Dual-sided. This side is for infants and it's so nice and firm. You need a firm mattress for an infant. And I feel very safe putting my kids, if they were infants, on this mattress. So you don't have to buy 2 mattresses. You can just transition to the toddler side, which is much more soft when they need to be able to get cozy. And that leads me to the bigger question I had, which was, how will the girls sleep on this compared to their old mattresses? And the short answer is better. They had previously slept on these $45 foam IKEA mattresses, and the first night they switched to the Avocado mattress, they both slept through the night, which never happens for us, so we got cautiously excited, but then they fell back into their normal patterns after a few days. But after a month of use, we have noticed a shift of more consistent sleeping for longer, so that's pretty awesome. Another thing we gotta talk about is the fact that it's made of all organic materials. This thing is made out of wool, latex, and organic cotton. Yep, and what that means is it's very safe. There's really no off-gassing that you have to worry about, which is great because you guys put your faces right on it. Another thing is, so this is biodegradable material. Crib mattresses usually get thrown in the trash, and that's pretty wasteful. If you care about the environment, it's really nice to just know that you can buy this and not contribute to all the landfills. And not only that, but Avocado really goes the extra mile with their entire supply chain. It's pretty impressive how far they go to ensure safety from chemicals and stewardship of the environment. And they're clearly committed to their mission, and that's pretty impressive. Let's talk about the trial period. So yeah, they have a 30-day trial period. So that gives a little peace of mind. And they also have their 25-year warranty, which is pretty insane. It seems like they're pretty confident that these mattresses are gonna last. All right, so I think everyone's pretty happy with their mattress, and now it's time to go take our nap, guys. You ready to take a nap?
Yeah.
Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Oh, say it to the camera. Thanks for watching. You guys are great.